You've probably seen this mark on our lift trucks. But what does eco-lifting really mean in your world? Performance is at the heart of eco-lifting. These lift trucks respond faster, lift more efficiently, and do more with less. Lower emissions don't mean lower power. Eco-lifting means reducing your environmental impact without compromising capability. Energy savings every shift. That means lower operating costs from day one. For operators, it's a quieter cabin, a smoother drive, and less fatigue at the end of the day. All of these benefits, increased performance, energy savings, reduced emissions, and a more comfortable driving experience lead to a better return on your investment. Eco-lifting is a portfolio of solutions built on Konecranes' vision to increase its environmental handprint, while helping customers reduce their carbon footprint. The electric forklift delivers zero tailpipe emissions with full power. Silent, strong, and built for heavy-duty work. The electric empty container handler moves containers in a reliable and efficient way, a practical and environmentally sustainable option for ports and terminals. The electric reach stacker, where electric power meets heavy lifting, brings dependable performance to the toughest tasks. Eco-lifting isn't just electric. With HVO 100 renewable fuel, power drive, and flow drive, we offer alternatives where an all-electric fleet may not yet be viable. Proper maintenance and genuine parts don't just extend lifespan, they also reduce energy consumption, improve reliability and safety, and help maximize uptime. The future isn't a single road, it's a network of possibilities. Eco-lifting gives you options, wherever you are and whatever moves your world, be it your environment, your technology, or your ambition. Where electrification works, we're ready. Where it doesn't, HVO 100 and smart technologies step in. Whether you aim for lower emissions, higher efficiency, or more power, eco-lifting helps you get there, right now. Eco-lifting is an ambition that connects efficiency, environmental sustainability, and business value. It's all designed to boost your profitability and reduce your carbon footprint. No matter where you are or where you're going, there's an eco-lifting solution ready to move with you. Because what moves your world is what drives ours.